In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page border in Microsoft Word in just a few easy steps. This is a simple way to make your document look more polished, more professional, and a lot more visually appealing. Whether you're creating a report, a flyer, a letter, or just want to give your document a cleaner, finished look, this feature is quick to use once you know where to find it. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful Microsoft Word tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to edit. Once your document is open, look at the top of the screen and click the Design tab. The Design tab is where you will find several formatting tools that help you control the appearance of your page, including themes, colors, and page borders. After that, find the Page Borders option and click it. This will open the Borders and Shading window, which is where you can customize the border for your document. In the dialog box, make sure you choose Box under the Settings section. The box option is the most common choice because it adds a clear border around the edges of the page. Next, you can customize the border exactly how you want it. You can change the style to choose whether you want a solid line, dotted line, dashed line, or another design. You can also change the color so the border matches the tone of your document, and you can adjust the width to make the border thinner or thicker depending on the look you're going for. If you want even more control, Word also gives you an Apply To Dropdown menu. This is very important because it lets you decide where the border should appear. You can apply the border to the whole document, only to specific sections, or just to the first page if that's what you need. For example, if you're making a cover page, you might only want the border on that first page, but if you're formatting a full report or worksheet, you may want the border on every page. Once you've selected your settings and are happy with the preview, click OK to apply the border. Word will instantly update your document and show the page border based on the choices you made. If it doesn't look quite right, you can always go back and reopen the Page Borders window to make adjustments until it matches your design perfectly. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add a page border in Microsoft Word using the Design tab and the Page Borders tool. It's a small formatting change, but it can make a big difference in how professional your document looks. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.